When you try to reset your iPhone or sign out of your Apple ID on the device, you will need to enter your password for verification. For some reason, the system may prompt a verification failed due to server error message. But don't worry, many people have encountered this issue, and in this video, we will show you 4 solutions to fix it. Let's get started. Method 1. Reset network settings. This error can occur if your network settings are incompatible. First, open Settings and go to General. Then, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, then click Reset Network Settings. Method 2. Erase iPhone via iCloud. Erasing iPhone via iCloud can fix the Erase iPhone verification failed error. On your iPhone, iPad, or computer, access iCloud. Come through a browser, sign into your Apple ID, navigate to Find My iPhone, tap all devices on the top bar, then locate the target device and erase it. Method 3. Turn off Find My iPhone. Step 1. Open Settings on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap your name at the top of the screen. Step 3. Scroll down and select Find My. Step 4. Tap Find My iPhone. Step 5. Toggle off the switch for Find My iPhone. Method 4. Repair iOS with AnyUnlock. Here, we will use a comprehensive unlocking tool called AnyUnlock. It can not only help you fix the verification failed issue on your iPhone easily, but also resolve the problem even if you don't know the password. Additionally, it can bypass the iPhone screen passcode, bypass MDM, remove the screen time passcode, and more. Now, let's walk through the steps to remove the Apple ID from a locked iPhone. First, download AnyUnlock for free and launch it on your PC or Mac. Second, select Unlock Apple ID and click Start Now. Third, connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable, then click Unlock Now. AnyUnlock will then automatically remove the Apple ID from your iPhone. Please do not disconnect the device until it restarts. Once the removal process is complete, you will see that the Apple ID has been successfully removed. We hope you can resolve the issue by following the methods provided in this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to leave a comment below with any questions. See you next time.